downpouring, folks. Dude, this looks cool. Dude, this looks so cool.
Does it?
Yeah. Look how cloudy it is.
Yeah, look, you can't see anything.
No, you can't.
Jump in. Oh, the water's so warm.
Yeah, the water is warm. Oh, dude, this is cool.
Does this handle float?
Yeah.
Oh! Thunder in.
Alright, maybe we should get out of the lake.
Yeah. But this is really cool. It's like the texture of the water looks so neat.
Yeah.
You can't even see over there. It's so neat. This is really cool though.
Yeah.
Like, just to swim. It's never been raining this hard and we've been in the lake before, so it's really neat. Yeah.
That was just like right there too.
Yeah, it was right up in the sky.
Yeah, that's normally where it is.
Let's go see the damage of the boat. See if the boat's all like, the boat's soaking wet and pooling with water. Let's see. Oh my gosh, it's flooded in here.
Oh,
Everything's soaked. It's all going out the back there. Boats coming in.
it's not raining under here. It's just a thunderstorm that's supposed to be going by.
That was so fun.
Yeah.
An experience I haven't really done before.
Yo, it's ahead of YouTube. It's ahead of YouTube.
What's up?
Oh my gosh, your turn. Whoa. That was interesting.
Well, I forgot I can't dive because it's not that deep.
It is. What time is it, do you think?
9:21.
3:02.
Oh my gosh,
So wrong.
It's unintended for...
Oh,
Does it float?
Throw it. Throw it. Let's see it. Let's see it.
What's not? It's from an expensive piece of
$700 later.
Yeah.
We just went jet skiing and it hurt really bad because the little rain pellets hit your face at 40 miles an hour and it hurt pretty bad. So we came in because the visibility was literally zero.
Wait, it stopped raining.
Yeah.
I'm surprised I can still touch you.
Look at these idiots. You guys are so dumb. Alright, I'm going back over here now. Can't see when you're stupid splashing.
That looks so weird.
I don't know what's happening. Does anyone know what's happening?
You pushed me in all the...
Bitches. I guess that camera. Yay. Thank you. He's gonna go hey, get back here. I got you. No. I want to see what that looks like. Sit where?
No, don't talk to me like that.
are there?
It's right there. Oh, yeah, I just fell in a hole. I think I'm in a fish nest right now.
Can't see him. I wonder if that was an accident.
Okay, there's a whole giant hole right there. Just come forward. Did you find it?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I guess it wasn't that big.
Happy 4th of July.
Caroline.
Oh, thanks. Happy 4th of July, everybody. It's Hendrix on my back. Oh.
Actually, I kind of want ice cream.
Me too.
That's what a fat person would say.
Okay, that's alright. I'm alright with being fat.
Levi, do you want ice cream?
Oh, yeah. Wait. Yeah.
You're so stupid.
Ow. That hurt. Alright, so 3rd of July, everyone, at the lake. They got the music going over there, getting ready for fireworks pretty soon. Tyreek and I came over with the X-Max, just horsing around with it a little bit. Hopefully you enjoyed all that jet ski footage and everything. But yeah, it is super busy. Almost rolled it.
Your face hurt. We're getting serious.
I'm getting nervous. Yeah. They're all roped off and that boat's there.
Dude, you know what this sounds like?
What?
Glow sticker. I think everybody's starting to look.
Oh, look at that.
Flares are in.
Oh, those smell good.
Yeah. Oh, the smoke. I want to give it a good lick.
Yeah, go get a picture. It's a creeper face one.
What did you say?
It's a creeper face one.
Oh. That was intense.